What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create or how to insert table of content in Microsoft Word Office. So I already have a document and I'll be using this document to demonstrate how to insert the table of content. And in order to insert table of content, you first of all need to make sure that you click on this home tab, and under home tab you should be able to see this style group. So we're going to insert different levels of headings using this style group. So as you can see, we have heading 1, we have heading 2, and if by any chance you're not able to see these headings, just click this down arrow and you should be able to see these different levels of heading. So if you to start with, what we need to do, since I have different headings, it's now upon us to declare the heading levels of these headings that we're having in this document. So for this text with the leading chapters will be our heading 1, and in order to insert heading 1, you just highlight the text, or just left click and then drag on your right, and then click on this heading 1. So as you can see, everything has changed, the text color, the text font, the styling. So in order to change that, just right click on this heading while it's still selected and then click modify. So the first thing you need to change is the font. So I like Times New Roman. We want it 14. It should be bold, and the font color will be black. And okay, let me just use black. And the alignment, I think we're going to choose justify. Then just make sure that you tick this automatic update. Then click OK. So there's this format, button. Just click on it. You can choose to add the border, and yes, just select any style that you want, then click OK. Just click OK. So the beauty about this is that if I select this text now and declare it as chapter 1, you see now it copies all the formatting. So I also have chapter 3. So let's move to heading 2. So you're going to highlight, we're going to repeat the same procedure. Highlight that, then click on heading 2, right click to modify. So the font still Times New Roman, and then font size 12, bold, but we want it left aligned. Then font color, let's make it black, just like that. Automatic update, then we click OK. So we're going to select a few to make a few them. So like this one, make professional documents to be heading 2. And as you can see, the moment we introduced heading 2, or the moment we created heading 2, automatically heading 3 is introduced. So that's the beauty about creating the headings. So this one, let's make this one heading 2. Heading 2. Under chapter 3, let's make this one heading 2. This one heading 2. So that's it. Let's do again, let's introduce heading 3. So select the text that you want to make heading 3. Click heading 3, right click as usual, then click modify. Times New Roman, leave it as font 12. Then just leave it as it is, don't make it bold. Make it left aligned, update automatic, then OK. So this one, heading 3. And you can see now heading 4 has been introduced. But I think what we could have done, just right click, modify, and then make the text, italize the text like that. So like that one, hit heading 3, heading 3. So now that we have our headings, it's time to introduce, now create the table of content. So in order to create the table of content, make sure that to click just before the first character, and then go to insert. We're going to insert page break. So we have now introduced a new page, and this way we're going to insert a table of content. So make sure that the cursor is blinking on the first line of the new page. Then click insert. Go to reference. Go to reference ribbon or reference tab, and then on the left hand side we have this table of contents. Click on it. Now we want to insert automatic table. There are two types of automatic table. We have contents and we have table of contents. If you're interested in this table of contents, just click on it, and boom, automatically you have table of contents. Now it's time now to format this table of content. For example, the heading table of content, we're going to make that bold, make it Times New Roman, then 10. The font color should be black, and then the alignment is just fine. Then select the tire, make it Times New Roman 12. Then under paragraph, you want 1.5 line spacing, then click OK. Now you have your table of content. So what if you want let's say you introduce another, let me copy a few more text. Now you realize that we have the pages have shifted, and then automatically the page numbers on this particular table should have updated. But in order to do that, just make sure that you click on the table of content, and then under you now see this update table, or just right click, and then you'll see this update field. It will now tell you to choose between updating the page numbers or the entire table. So for us, we want to update the page numbers only. Click OK. Now we have some few changes on the page numbers. If you want to update the entire table, just right click, then click update field, then entire table. But now you need to introduce or to format the table again. So Times New Roman 12. Then right click, then we format the paragraph. Make it 1.4 line spacing, like that. So that's how you insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.